Hi, welcome to Tech Tips. I'm your host, Justin Larson, and today we're going to be talking about the Rogers Rocket Hub. What this little unit does for you is give you high-speed internet access and unlimited local calling for as little as $50 a month. The really unique thing about this unit is that it receives our cellular signal. So if you were unable to get high-speed internet previously because of where you lived or what you had access to, this little guy helps us get around that because we're not dependent on lines or anything like that. So once you've got your Rogers Rocket Hub and you're getting home, we're going to show you just how easy it is to get this guy up and running. So we're just going to pop this out of the box here. First thing that you're going to find is this little Rogers Rocket Hub Getting Started folder. This will show you some neat tips about the home phone, how to access voicemail, things like that. We'll just set that to the side because we don't need that for today. Get the unit out. Everything is self-contained in this. It has a wireless router built in, so you can connect wireless laptops, smartphones, anything like that, as well. 4 Ethernet connections so that we can actually network desktops or any other computers to this device, and a home phone jack. Looks just like the jack in your wall. So we'll set that there for now. Rip this box apart. We're excited. We want to get this set up. Pull the power cord out of here. Just going to set this half over here by the hub. I'm going to go hunting for some power with this one. Any standard power connection from your house, from the wall, works with this guy. So we just plug that in there, run it across. We're going to leave all the wires out so that everybody can see exactly what's involved. Obviously, you're going to be hiding these at home. So just get that connected. Then what we're going to do is take this little connection here, look for the corresponding port on the back of the hub. It only fits in one space. So we just plug that right in there like that until it clicks. Turn it around and you'll see that the hub is now lit up. Now that hub is going to go black. Don't be concerned, nothing's wrong. What it's doing is just resetting. In a few seconds we'll see this bar start to light up and it'll start to search for signal. While it's doing that, I'm going to get the Ethernet port, or Ethernet cord, out. For those of you that are going Ethernet, what the heck's Ethernet? Basically it's just an oversized phone jack. Just another cord, a way to connect the hub to more a home PC or anything like that. So we'll get that laid out. Little guy should start flashing now. So it's hunting for signal now. That's going to take 10 to 15 seconds. We've got a stand for the unit here. Our computer's ready to go. Once this starts flashing, we'll see the network indicator start to spread out like that. Even as little as 4 bars on either side is still going to give you high-speed access. It's going to give you full connectivity. So no worries if it's only 4 bars. You're still good. You'll still be fast. So once we've got that done and it's connected, we're going to flip this around. If you were connecting a home PC, we're going to take this Ethernet cord here, plug it into port 1 on the hub, just slide it in till it clicks. Make sure that that sleeve slides down on there. Everything's covered. Slide these cords out of the way, and then the stand itself just slides into these 2 slots, just like that, and then you just push till it clicks. We're red here, so I've actually hit the standby button on here, so we're just going to touch that again, turn it blue, and make sure the hub is working. So we'll leave that there, then we're going to go back to the other end of that Ethernet cord, and on the back of the computer, laptop, desktop, anything like that, they're all going to have this Ethernet connection. So we just flip that over the right way, again, push until it clicks. So we've connected our hub to our computer. Now if you're using a desktop at home and you're not going to be using the wireless function, you're done. That's it. We're ready to go right now. What I want to show you is the actual wireless connection here. So we did that for demonstration purposes, but I'm actually going to go back and unplug that cord again, unplug it from the hub. We don't need it. We're going to go wireless. So we just pop that out of the way. We don't need any of that. We can see we've still got connection on our hub. Go to our computer here. Depending on the operating system that you're running, searching for a wireless network might be in a different place. In this example, we're just going to go to the Start menu, connect to wireless network. We're going to do a scan for network list, see what networks are out there. Rogers has actually pre-set up a wireless network, secured, so that nobody else can log on because it's got a password on here. So if you look on the back of the hub, right here, we'll see a network name and a WPA passphrase. So the network name corresponding to here, Rogers 14B3. So we're just going to double click on that. And then the password underneath it, the passphrase, we're just going to type that in. type that in one more time just to confirm. Set that guy back down and just click connect. And once that runs through and connects to the network, you can see that there's no wires other than the power cord connected to the hub. This is connected wirelessly to your laptop. So we can actually bring up a web page now and then give you an idea of how fast this internet actually is. So I always find the Weather Network's a good demonstration page just because it requires a lot to load it up. So this will show you how fast this can actually be. So just click enter there. And you can see, just like high speed, no more waiting and waiting and waiting for your internet pages to load, anything like that. So the next step for this is to connect the phone line to this. So this is a good example of the phone that we want to use. We're looking for a cordless phone with a single base and then multiple handsets around the house. Reason for that being, we only have one place to plug this phone in. We're not using the phone jacks in the house anymore. We're just going to connect right to the hub directly. So this is the easy part. We've all done this. Regular phone jack just plugs into the phone. Just run this around here. And then we're going to the back of the hub. And again, we've got a corresponding plug there. Slide that into there. We've got our phone, unlimited local calling, we're connected there. Includes call display, voicemail, and call waiting, all included in the $50 a month. So now we've got our wireless phone, we've got our wireless laptop, we're free to roam anywhere we want. We've got to put a 50-foot range on this, go anywhere in the house, browse on the laptop. It could be on the patio, the porch, bathroom if you want, anything like that. So now that we're all set up, there are a couple other things that we can do for setting up the wireless network. We'll cover that in our next installment, but for now, this concludes our installment of TechLink. Thank you very much, and this is the Rogers Rocket Hub.